On this episode of On the Move, we're leaving Death Valley National Park after 5 very hot days. We're heading about 170 miles east to our 40th state RV traveled, Nevada, with first stop Las Vegas. We'll be exploring the town and taking a day trip to the Hoover Dam. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We greatly appreciate you. Hello, I'm Michael.
And I'm Sylvia, and we're on the move. And if you're new to our channel, welcome. And we hope that you'll continue to follow our awesome journey.
Yep, Sylvia and I are both recently retired, and we're traveling from Indiana to California across 14 states, about 8,000 miles total over the next 5 months. We put out a video once a week, document our journey. We hope that you'll subscribe to our channel and continue to follow our journey each week. Thank you so much again for tuning in, and with that, we'll start today's episode.
Away we go. See ya, Death Valley. We got some waves from the bikers. Ooh, kind of crazy. We lost power this morning around 8 o'clock. The whole full hookup side lost power. About an hour and a half. It was like 9:36 when it came back on. Long enough to heat everything up in here.
Yeah.
You do not want to be without hookups here. Although there are people boondocking, but I don't think I could do it.
So good morning. It's March 22nd.
Yep.
It's day 87 of our retirement journey, and we've been in California for about 3 weeks. We started off in Winter Haven, then went to San Diego, then out to the desert to Anza Borrega, to Joshua Tree, then back into the ocean to Ventura, and then Van Nuys, Hollywood area, and then Death Valley. And so now we've been here 5 days, the Death Valley National Park. We're heading to Las Vegas. So we're heading to Nevada, which will be our 40th our state RV travel. So we're about 3 hours or less away, about 170 miles. So we got to drive all the way through the park first. So, but yeah, as awesome as this place is, I'm glad to get away from this 100-degree weather that we've had every day we've been here, which is ridiculously hot. Thank God for the pool there.
Yes.
It's Stovepipe Wells. So
yes.
We've gotten that pool daily. So that was a blessing.
Literally every day. Yep.
Every day. So it's still gonna be hot in Vegas, but it's in the like low 90s. So we'll take that. So that's a change. So again, we're there for 3 days, and so we're on 190 going through the park. And we get on some other road I don't remember at the moment. Then we get on 95 into Las Vegas. So signing out for now.
They got a clearly marked RV check-in designation point, which is always nice.
The destination is on your right.
They even have a side for RV and autos. Very nice. There's somebody in there.
Yep,
Yeah.
like a garden.
Yeah, there's definitely somebody in there. We should be pretty close because there's 243 over here to the right, 273 on the left. So we're going to be on the left. Yeah. Yeah, I think we will too. Good here. I think he got like twisted up in there or something.
He got twisted. Mags, there's palm trees all through here, so it's pretty. When staying in Las Vegas, you have many options as far as RV parks. The Las Vegas RV Resort worked well for us. It was priced well to be in town. I thought it was a little more affordable than many places. It was $191 for 3 days. Wow, that's pretty cool. That old bike with the sidecar. That's pretty cool. Of course, they have back-in and pull-through sites. Most all full hookups. Of course, it does have a pool in the park, and it's about 6 miles from the Las Vegas Strip, and it was about 57 miles from the Hoover Dam. So again, this park worked well for what we needed it to do. So there's been a whole lot of business going on here, and some new business. How's the local watering hole treating you? Is that some high quality H2O? Some good Las Vegas water. So yeah, there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4 yards.
So I guess like if you want to play fetch or something.
Yeah, there's one long one.
Big long one.
They all got hoses.
Bob said, I like it in here. There's all kinds of smells. What about you, Emmy? Emmy.
So there's water, and then there's the ice machine over there. He showed me on the map, but yeah, what's the hours?
I guess we have a code back at the room.
We do.
This place is nice.
Yeah.
You've redeemed yourself from the sketchy campground in San Antonio.
Nice. I'm never gonna live that one down, am I?
Probably not.
No, this place is nice.
It is.
Palm trees always make you happy.
That's true.
So yeah, we'll go check out the pool either later tonight or
At
Yeah.
some point.
probably next couple days.
Yep.
But yeah, you were happy there's a little pet grooming
I
area.
know. We'll definitely take advantage of that.
A lot of nice rigs here. We can cut through right here again
Yeah.
because we're just right over here. So what spot are we in? What is it? 266. So we know they have at least 266 spots. No, there's a bunch of spots in here.
Yeah.
But no, we fit in here. It's a nice site. Well, I guess we're gonna go out and check out town.
Yep. Gonna see Vegas at night so we can see everything lit up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So first we're gonna go get something to eat. Think we're gonna go try to check out another buffet. Imagine that.
We do like our buffets.
We're gonna go to Circus. It's one of the better priced ones. So some of them are. I'm sure there's better options, but I don't want to pay $60 or $70 for each for dinner. So we're gonna go check out this one. It's supposed to be $25 a piece.
And hopefully not have any issues finding somewhere to park because we're a little
Well,
tall.
and they're supposed to have free parking, but we're like 7'3"
Yeah, because of the kayak rack.
with the kayak rack.
Yeah.
So we'll see. But yeah, to have free parking in Vegas and
$24.95.
yeah,
Yeah.
which that might be before tax, but still,
I'm sure it is.
I'm sure it is.
And we don't know what
But hopefully it's
taxes
not
here.
like the Vegas vacation where they have like the blue,
the blue goo
the
and the
blue
green
and
goo.
the green or whatever, the orange.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna head out here from the
Las Vegas RV
resort
Yep.
and check out town a little bit.
Yeah.
All right, we're in Vegas. We got pockets full of money. We're ready to go spend it.
You know something I don't know?
stinky here.
Yeah, well, we're by the dumpster.
By their dumpsters.
We're on the back side.
Oh, yeah, that's a huge sign. The front looks cool too, don't it?
I like all the lights. Oh, look, somebody got married.
Oh boy.
I bet you see a lot of brides walking around in Vegas.
Think so?
I would think.
Okay. So, I've asked you this before. Are you feeling lucky?
No.
No?
There's a sign for the circus there.
Yeah. There's a lot of machines in here. Do-do-do-do-do.
Yep.
See all this? You like that?
Yeah, the angel wings.
There's a store, so that's all the stuff they're advertising for this store.
Yeah, I like that.
It's the right way.
Yeah.
Put that face out. Point this. If you've ever watched the series Pawn Stars featuring Rick Harrison and Chumlee,
Open 24 hours. Crazy.
at the Gold and Silver Pawn in Las Vegas, we figured since we were here, we might as well check it out.
My gosh, they have a little bit of everything.
Wow, $3. Oh yeah. I don't know if they're still in print or. There's quite a few signatures on there. You ready?
Yeah. Welcome to Hoover Dam.
Welcome back to Arizona.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy. Water's pretty
It's clear.
pretty clear down there. There she is. Hoover Dam, named in honor of Herbert Clark Hoover, 31st president. Like you said, yeah, I'd rather have this than a library.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
So we got to go this way to take the dam tour.
Oh boy.
Sylvia wants to visit the dam gift shop. She's hoping to get a dam beer.
Oh my gosh.
You think you'll get a dam patch here?
Yeah. That'd be cool.
Yep. Which I gotta say is probably pretty cool, crossing in your motorhome,
Yeah.
pulling your Jeep. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
The upper dam, that was the river getting kind of, I imagine it was a little bit scary out there. But at the end of the completion of the dam, they started filling with deep buildings. And that's the way, and there's a over buildings. And the department of the facility, trying to do a remodel on the dam easily in the millions.
Then fed by other rivers and streams, the Colorado River grows into a mighty force. For settlers in the southwest United States, the Colorado River was a provider and a destructive force.
The surveys.
Very immersive.
Wow.
Thank you so much for watching today. We greatly appreciate you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel On the Move so you can continue to follow our epic RV retirement journey over the next 5 months, 8,000 miles in 14 states. And you don't want to miss next week's episode as we continue east into Nevada to probably one of the coolest state parks in the whole country, Valley of Fire State Park. And we finally get to see the elusive desert bighorn. Thank you so much for tuning in today. We greatly appreciate you, and God bless.